Hello YouTube and welcome to my new video. If you're looking for the best DoorDash promo codes to use on your next order, you found the video. This is the one. In just a second, I'll show you how I was able to redeem $150 in DoorDash credits just from using one promo code. And I'll show you how in 3 to 4 minutes do the same. So make sure you watch the full video. Let me just show you real quick. If I go into my phone and open up DoorDash and go into the payment, as you can see, I have $150 in my DoorDash credits, and DoorDash credits can be used to pay for the order, pay for the delivery fee as well, and even a tip for the driver. So make sure you watch the full video. I'll show you how in 3 to 4 minutes to get that promo code. And it's really important, if I could ask you one thing, is to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and let's get into it. Okay guys, so now let me show you how to get that promo code I showed you in the beginning of the video, the one that gives you $150 of DoorDash credits. And this is what you need to do. You need to grab your device, your mobile device, whatever you use, like phone or iPad or whatever. I'm using my iPhone. Android devices can do this as well. The first step is deleting your DoorDash app. That code only works the first time you open the DoorDash app, so make sure you delete it and we are good to go. So this is what you need to do. The second step is for iPhone users only. So if you have an iPad or Android, you don't need to do this step, but if you have an iPhone like me, go into your settings, scroll down till you find home screen group of settings, click on it, and make sure that showing app library is enabled. That means if you find it turned off like this, make sure to turn on show in app library, and we are good to go. So now we need to download the DoorDash app back on our devices, but we can't do it from App Store or Google Play because they won't come with a $150 coupon code pre-applied. So this is what you need to do. Open up your favorite browser. I'm using Safari for this one, and go to this website right here. It's app library right here, and when it loads up, instead of just scrolling and searching for it, just type in DoorDash, and there it is, DoorDash with a $150 coupon. It will say click to download DoorDash with free $150 coupon for future orders. So this app is the same app we just deleted, but it will come with a promo code pre-applied because we're downloading it from a promotional site. That is not better. So just click on the app icon and click download, and give it a few seconds while it checks if your device is compatible with the app. And it should be, because there are no requirements for the DoorDash app, especially if you just deleted it. That means we can of course re-download it from here. And we're almost finished. Now this is the final step, guys, don't skip it. What we need to do is we need to complete device verification by completing 3 free offers from the list below. After that, the DoorDash with $150 coupon will start downloading automatically. So what I'll do right now is I'll complete 3 of these offers, and I believe these are promotional apps, but you know, if it's a promotional offer, it's to be expected. And if 2 or 3 minutes of your time is worth $150, then keep watching. So what you need to do is, I'll just read the instructions of this offer, but it says that the offer instructions are on the next page, so I'll just click on it. Let's see what it will ask me to do. And it says step 1, search on App Store. And as you can see, I have to search for this keyword right here. Find this app, and I have to install it and open it. Okay, so I believe I can do this one in 20 seconds. No problem. Let's see. I'll quickly copy this keyword that it wants me to search. Okay, so I think I can do this one in 20 seconds. Let's see, because I only have to open it. Very simple. Let's see, there it is, from Unicorn. Okay, so now I'll download it, and I have to open it once, and that will be one offer completed. So very simple. I'll open it, and there it is in 20 seconds. Very easy. So that is one offer completed. What I'll do now is I'll go complete 2 more offers, and I'll see you in a few seconds. Okay guys, so I just completed my third offer and I completed two very similar offers where I had to search for an app, download and open it. So it took me like a minute or a minute 20 seconds, something like that. But I got it completed. So I told you it will only take you like 2 to 3 minutes. So now once you have completed all three offers, it is very, very important that you return back to your browser and the DoorDash app will start downloading on your device automatically. And if it doesn't, you can start the download process by refreshing your browser. And if I return to my home screen, you can see I have the DoorDash app right here. I'll open it up and show you that I received $150 from a promo code that is pre-applied. Let's see. There it is. It says you have successfully completed offers and are eligible for the $150 DoorDash credits, blah, blah, blah. The amount was added to your balance. So what I'll do right now, I'll try to find my balance. It's in my account and I'll go into my payment. And as you can see, I have $150 in my DoorDash credits just from using this promo code that comes pre-applied. I've been downloading the delivery app from that site. And as far as I know, this balance can be used for paying your order, covering the delivery fee, and also tipping the driver. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on the best DoorDash promo codes at the moment. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.